three, four. 1, 2, 3. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만.
Hey everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the cell cycle and its phases. So, what is cell cycle? Cell cycle is series of events take place in a cell that cause it divide into two daughter cells. These events include duplication of DNA and partitioning of cytoplasm and other components into two daughter cells in a process called cell division. Now let's move to the next point, which is the phases of cell cycle. The cell cycle consists of two phases. They are as follows. 1. Interphase. Interphase represent the phase between two successive M phases. Interphase is a series of changes that takes place in a newly formed cell and its nucleus before it becomes capable of division again. The interphase is divided into three stages. They are as follows. G1 phase. The first phase within interphase, from the end of the previous M phase until the beginning of DNA synthesis, is called G1 phase. It is also called the growth phase. During this phase, the biosynthetic activities of the cell, which are considerably slowed down during M phase, resume at a high rate. The S phase starts when DNA synthesis commences. When it is complete, all of the chromosomes have been replicated. During this phase, the amount of DNA in the cell has doubled, though the ploidy and number of chromosomes are unchanged. Rates of RNA transcription and protein synthesis are very low during this phase. G2 phase. G2 phase occurs after DNA replication and is a period of protein synthesis and rapid cell growth to prepare the cell for mitosis. During this phase, microtubules begin to reorganize to form a spindle, pre-prophase. The G2 checkpoint is mainly regulated by the tumor protein p53. 2. M phase. The relatively brief M phase consists of nuclear division, karyokinesis. M phase is complex and highly regulated. The M phase is divided into four stages. They are as follows. Prophase. Prophase is the first stage of cell division in both mitosis and meiosis. Beginning after interphase, DNA has already been replicated when the cell enters prophase. The main occurrences in prophase are the condensation of the chromatin reticulum and the disappearance of the nucleolus. Metaphase. Metaphase is a stage of mitosis in the eukaryotic cell cycle in which chromosomes are at their second most condensed and coiled stage. These chromosomes, carrying genetic information, align in the equator of the cell before being separated into each of the two daughter cells. Metaphase accounts for approximately 4% of the cell cycle's duration. Anaphase. Anaphase is the stage of mitosis after the process of metaphase, when replicated chromosomes are split and the newly copied chromosomes are moved to opposite poles of the cell. Chromosomes also reach their overall maximum condensation in late anaphase, to help chromosome segregation and the reformation of the nucleus. Telophase. Telophase is the final stage in both meiosis and mitosis in a eukaryotic cell. During telophase, the effects of prophase and prometaphase, the nucleolus and nuclear membrane disintegrating, are reversed. As chromosomes reach the cell poles, a nuclear envelope is reassembled around each set of chromatids, the nucleoli reappear, and chromosomes begin to decondense back into the expanded chromatin that is present during interphase. So this was about the cell cycle and its phases. I kept it simple and short so it become easy to understand and learn. I hope this video will help you. Comment down if you have any question regarding the topic and also what you want to see more. Consider subscribing if you like the video and do share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.